my current favorite sandwich. It's with rotisserie chicken. It's really simple. It's just rotisserie chicken, lettuce, tomato, avocado, provolone, mayo, olive oil, salt and pepper. And it is like, I've had it every day for the past at least week, but I'm just like hooked on it. I feel like rotisserie chicken, it's a lot less processed than like deli meat. So it feels, but it literally tastes the same. So we're making a sandwich, and then we are going to make we have some new neighbors moving in this weekend. We actually have a lot of new neighbors lately, and it makes me really excited because a lot of them have kids that are Brooks's age, and that just really is kind of life-changing on the weekends when, you know, it just kind of makes life sweeter and better when your kids have people nearby that they can play with. It's just fun having parent friends too that are close by. So one of our new neighbors is hosting an Easter egg hunt this weekend, and then the new neighbors are moving in tomorrow. Putting together like some sort of gift, like a housewarming gift for the new neighbors. Because I remember when we moved in here, people were so nice. Today this week I'm 21 weeks. I had my 20-week anatomy scan, and the doctor told me that she actually referred me to a new doctor, which kind of nerve-wracking, but we'll learn more on Monday. In a few days, I'll have my appointment with the new doctor, which is like a high-risk doctor. I've never had, this pregnancy has been different vibes than the first. So the first was like sunshine, rainbows. I was kind of naive to any sort of complication that could happen. This time around, I do have something that could go away, might not go away. And because I had a previous C-section, the chances of it going away are even less. So it's called placental previa. If anyone else has had it, I know a lot of times it goes away on its own, but because I had a prior C-section, I just have a lower chance of that happening. And then I just have to worry about some other things down the road. So we're seeing a new doctor on Monday, and I think that'll give me more peace of mind. But it has given me like a lot. Any kind of pregnancy, anything that's out of the ordinary is always so anxiety inducing. It's just hard. It kind of just like, it's hard to enjoy it when it's just something constantly on my mind all the time. So hopefully making these little neighbor gifts and having a fun weekend will get my mind off of it until the appointment, and then I'll learn more and all of that. But that is where my mind has been focused on. Trying not to go down a deep Google search hole because I can be even more nerve-wracking. But so something else that I really want to be better about this spring and summer is having people over, having family over, friends over, new neighbors over. So, okay, I need olive oil and salt and pepper. Salt, we're gonna drizzle some olive oil over this. Final product. I'm in my eating outside every meal time of year. It's perfect. It's before all the mosquitoes are out. It's not too hot, not too cold. I'm trying to soak it up as much as I can. So good. So these are the ideas I have for neighbors' gifts. One is just an herb in a really beautiful like aged terracotta pot. It can be rosemary, and then you can also add like olive oil, even like a fresh like French baguette. And then the other idea is like a lemonade stand basket. So it would have all the ingredients. It would have fresh lemons, all the ingredients for lemonade. So, and then along with all of that, I can also do kind of like a farmer's market basket with local little things that they can put in their kitchen. And yeah, I feel like all of those are good little basket themed new neighbor gifts. That would be good. But I also found my favorite time of year at Whole Foods is when they sell these topiary lavender, it's like little lavender trees. So the trees, this is mine. It's so cute. I have a new one that I can give them, this lavender tree, and then this one for the other neighbors, which I mean, I think that's a perfect gift, honestly. But if you have been looking for a little lavender tree, topiary, Whole Foods, in at least where I live, has them. They're so beautiful anywhere, on the table, on the porch. And speaking of plants, this jasmine, this is star jasmine, so it's going to bloom probably in a couple of weeks, but it has grown so much. This has been probably about a year since we planted it, and they were about like maybe that high when we planted them. So they pretty much tripled in size. I don't know what I'm gonna do long term, because eventually it's just gonna be so thick. But I actually really love this thickness. And this trellis is one that, it didn't come with the chains. We kind of just like hung it ourselves, added the chains and some hooks. And then the bottom of these are in this dirt. I'm going to set the table outside. It's gonna be a really nice night and weekend overall. It's gonna be a really nice weekend. We're gonna have family over, we're gonna have friends over, and I found a few really good summer tabletop finds from Kohl's. They're affordable, the quality is good, and the styles are stunning. So the first thing I have, and I bought this, I loved this pattern so much that I got it in two sizes, one for our round table, one for our long rectangular table. So this is the pattern up close. It's a dark green, very timeless, dainty floral pattern. I found some placemats, so we have some options here. These are a canvas with a fringe border placemat, but then I have some simple like woven ones. Actually, all of these pieces are from the same home line, Mingle & Co. I'm going to link to all these pieces if you're interested. I have a feeling this one will sell out really quickly. It's just so beautiful. I actually, if this came in curtains, I would buy this print in curtains so quickly. Oh, napkins. So the same print also comes in napkins. The prices are so good. If you're having like pasta, I really love deep plates for pasta, or really anything, but I just thought this shape was really beautiful. So we're gonna set the table outside. Okay, I decided to bring the tablecloth, the round one, in the front porch, or to the front porch, just because people will be walking in our front door and I want the whole porch to feel beautiful. These cushions I'm bringing to the backyard, but they are just a perfect little cushion that you can move around, and it has a little grippy material on the bottom. So I really like these for really any chair. These chairs, backyard chairs. So we're gonna go bring them out back. Something I like to do with an extra napkin is give Toonie a bandana. And then she matches the table. Toonie, come here. Come here, Toonie. All right. Oh, so pretty. Toonie. All right. Perfect. Shout out to Kohl's for having all of these incredible summer home finds. Thank you to Kohl's for sponsoring this video, and I am so excited to have people over, get the grill going. Oh, hi Pearl. Do you want one too? Pearly had a bath today. Wow. Is this for the new neighbor?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I wanted to show you the updated room and the progress that was made. So this started as a completely just red wall and white molding. I found this wallpaper and I just loved it so much, and I knew that it would be really beautiful in this room. But then I knew I also wanted a window bench. So we made this, and you can flip it up for storage, which is where we put all of Brooks's art supplies. I haven't quite styled these shelves or anything yet, but this is like Brooks's art gallery. Is this Pearly?
Yeah.
Wow, that is so beautiful.
And butterflies.
Oh, wow. That is so pretty. So this room is kind of a multi-function room. If you followed in New York, this was something I had in our New York apartment, and I loved it so much I didn't want to get rid of it. I do think I'm going to add some wall sconces to hang right there, like in either, probably not on the wall, but probably like on the built-ins. Maybe even like a plug-in, I'll just disguise the cord, because there are outlets like right there and on the other side. A close up of the cushion. Look past all the tuning hairs. A few things that I have left to do, and I wish I had filmed this whole process horizontally for YouTube, but it is on Instagram if you want to see like the steps and the previous in this video. But so light sconces right here, I'll probably do plug it in right here and just kind of disguise the cord, paint it with a cord cover. I think that will still be very cozy without damaging this wallpaper. I also need to find some cabinet holes for here, and I might add I might do something with these cabinets, since these were pre-made cabinets from Lowe's. They were very simple. I might add some trim to make it look a little more custom, but cabinet holes need to be found. I want to add some all my favorite pieces to these shelves, but the bottom are definitely for storage. This side has a lot of Brooks's puzzles and games, so it's very nice to have extra storage for those things. I'll probably do some sort of
Mama.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you. That's so nice. So I'll probably find some storage baskets to go on here. This mirror is a recent Facebook Marketplace purchase. And then I'll be adding some sort of window treatment. Not quite sure yet. And I haven't decided yet. This trim, I need to add a little quarter piece there, but this ideally would be higher. It would match that, but. So a friend of mine sent me a gift, and I'm gonna open it. It's from her business called Estate Sale in a Box, and it's kind of just I think there's a couple options, but you basically pay for someone to curate a box from like of vintage items. All right, this bowl is beautiful. Actually, this bowl would look really pretty on those shelves. Oh my gosh, this is pretty.
More bubbles! More bubbles!
Wow, bring them to Daddy. Okay, this is so pretty. This would make such a fun gift for anyone who just loves, sorry for the bubble popping. Anyone who loves old things.
Mommy.
Yes.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you too.
I love you.
I love you. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, hold on, buddy. Let's see what this is. I need to show this in the light, but it's a lot of fruit. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute in a kitchen. This looks like one of those candle snuffers. but it's an angel. All of the finds, I will find a special spot for every single one of this. This is beautiful Wedgwood. I love the yellow, to be nice in the little nursery. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I still have a lot of things left to do before the weekend begins, so I have to get that neighbor gift ready. I thought about this a little more. The lavender tree would be so cute if I had lavender, blueberry, lemon, lemonade ingredients, kind of mixing all of my ideas together. I need to do some research, but how cute would that be? A lavender tree with all of the ingredients for blueberry, lavender lemonade. That would be so cute. But I also read that I'm not supposed to have lavender when pregnant, so I need to do some research. Anyways, thanks for watching, and next video, I promise I'm gonna talk about the window wall that we made, because it was like a 5-month long process. It wasn't supposed to be that long, but then things happened in life and holidays and stuff, so maybe that's what my next video will be about. But I hope you guys are having a good start to spring, and I appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time.